Hi, my name is Isaac,
I'm Iman.
and this is our record player. Across multiple generations of people, records and record players have made a resurgence in sales as they come back into style. The irony is, customers are buying brand new devices for an outdated style of listening. Every day, 230 million pounds of electronic waste is produced across the world. This e-waste represents 2% of America's trash in the landfills and equals 70% of the overall toxic waste.
So instead of buying a brand new device, we decided to build the record player from scrap and reused parts. And it all started with an $8 phonographic motor that I found on eBay. After researching circuitry, including the cartridge picking up vibrations from the grooves in the record and the stylus converting those electrical signals from phono to line, researching different gear ratios and how that affected the spinning of the record, and researching basic circuitry like the difference between MOSFETs and pots, we built a simple motor speed control circuit, and it consists of a three-way switch, the $8 motor I found on eBay, 12 volts worth of battery power, and a regular two-way switch. It took a lot of research to design the platter and how it kind of balances on the bearing, which is attached to the belt that rotates around the spindle of the motor. One problem we had is that the motor is very short and it doesn't sit up tall enough to be in line with the bearing. And the bearing is kind of concave, so the band or the belt that sits around the bearing in the motor sometimes slips down and it doesn't hold its height with the motor, so we added a little block to prop the motor up so that it was in line with the bearing.